According to flight radar, this plane has been diverted to DFW, that's Dallas, Fort Worth. It is Friday, May 25th, just after 10:30 in the morning. People are getting ready for a big holiday weekend. Set to jet. It's a Boeing 757. I don't know what they're waiting for. There's nothing coming across. There's almost no arrivals right now. I could be wrong. Hold on. There may be one down there. Here we go. Starting the roll. Starting the roll. .757 going to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. San Juan. It's been Memorial Day down there in a hurricane-ravaged Caribbean island. It's moving, man. They ought to be getting off the ground here any moment. Zoom in. Like I said, it's been quite a while. Well, 7 months it's been down here. Out of here. Nice. Little biological aviation hopping around in the parking lot up here. Here we go. It's a Boeing 737 making the right-hand turn coming around 09. Left, that pi over 2 left in the Radian runway numbering system. And taxiing on over to the gate. Things are getting a little aggressive down here in the cell phone lot. There's a lot of people here today. I guess there's, I don't know if everybody's, oh, look at this guy. Yeah. Different technique for escaping the parking spot. Hey, look at this. It's my hometown airline, Frontier. This is the airline that treats you like a whole different animal. And what is that? That's a wolf. Or is it a coyote? Nah, wolves. They wouldn't put a coyote on there. Scavenger. Wolves. Little pup there. Oh, they're so cute. Be a good pet, wouldn't it? That's what Frontier, it's, I don't know, because Frontier treats you like a whole different animal, maybe like a sheep. I don't know if you want wolves on the sheep carrier there. All right, things are definitely on the downhill swing here. Spirit is arriving out there on the furthest reaches here on the southern 3/5 of Keisha, Lance Bottoms, Beauregard, Holbrook, Maynard Jackson, Hartsfield, Atlanta International Maynard Terminal on the south parking deck here in the airport of many names. Spirit has arrived. I'm starting to think pi over 2 right ain't getting used today, man, because all the planes are going way out there onto the far distant southern 1/5 here at Lance Bottoms, Keisha, Holbrook, Maynard, Atlanta, Harstfield-Jackson International, Qasim International Airport out here, the airport of many names. There's going to be some conflict today in the cell phone lot. I got a feeling that I like the way it's shaping up. We got them. They're going too wide down there. Usually it's just single file, but man, they're pushing it today. They're going too wide down there. I like 3 wide. I got a feeling. It's a Boeing 737 operated by Southwest Airlines. Hey, way out there, that's Aero Mexico. All right, I gotta see if I can get her. There's a chick down here in a Honda getting pissed. Hopefully she's gonna overreact, or she's making her move. I'm just speculating that they're gonna change the name of this place. Add some more names to the airport of many names, now that we have a new mayor named Bottoms. Bottoms Beauregard. I like the sound of that. I just add the Beauregard. That's not actually official, but it is southern. The Qasim Bottoms Beauregard International, Holbrook, Maynard, Jackson, Hartsfield International Terminal Airport, southern 3/5 out here. On the ground safely in Atlanta. It's a Boeing 737 operated by Southwest Airlines. It's coming in to land on pi over 2 right. That is in the Radian runway numbering system. Sounds like we have an emergency too. Let me see what's going on. Everyone's got to get out of the way of the fire truck. Back up. There's some drama happening down here. What do you think it is? Someone getting hot under the collar. They need to go extinguish it. I'll tell you what. There's some crazy aviation action happening out here. Look at all these airplanes. They're going every which way. They're pointed all over the place. They're sitting around. They're moving. They're flying. They're taking off. They're landing. Holy cow. I was getting excited about this Aero Mexico over here because I thought he was from Querétaro, but I think it's from Guadalajara instead. And that is one stubby looking airplane. I'm just anticipating the new name of this place. We've got a new mayor. Her name is Bottoms Beauregard. I just flat out make up the Beauregard. That's a nice landing out there on Pi over 2, right? So we got one coming and one going. So we're gonna break even on Spirit, which is better than being up by one Spirit. As long as there's one coming and going. I think for everyone that arrives, one needs to be leaving, and then we're all good. Looks like a taxi cab out there on the runway. Where is he? I'm gonna find him here. Here we go. Yep, that's a taxi, all right. He's driving one of those hamster mobiles. I wonder if, like, the Spirit website gives you competing bus fares. You think that would be handy, that, you know, that there's people, when they're contemplating taking Spirit, that they also check out Greyhound, see what kind of departure times and fares there are. So this is it. This is the southern 3/5 of the busiest, by some measures, airport in the world, and probably the airport with the most names in the world. And there's just that one lone 737 out there. There's nothing really happening on the south side, but there is an A330 coming in. Yeah. And I looked at where this was coming from. It wasn't international. It's like Fort Lauderdale. Oh. Los Angeles. I can't remember anyhow. But that's a big ass wide body European aviation product. Probably going to be subject to a Trump-inspired tariff here before too long. He's going to have something to show for himself. All right, here we go. Checking the departure board here. Looks like my tripod is not quite level with the horizon. We got that airplane going down. This is the Spirit of Atlanta Delta. I don't know where it's going. Bobble the camera, we'll get it zoomed in. See if we're focused. Let's just pray that we are. Sounded cool. Here we go. Now, I've been watching PBS Spacetime on YouTube, and the Earth, there's enough energy and mass here that it bends space-time so that everything is warped, I guess. And that's what this thing is fighting. Getting off the ground, defying space-time. Guy's getting ready to jump out of the car. He's eager. Thought maybe he'd walk. The Boeing 777. This one is going to Tokyo. Got a long, long way to go. spectacular on their way to Asia, the Pacific Rim, the Ring of Fire. Not a whole lot happening on the southern 3/5 of what's probably going to become Bottoms, Beauregard, Harstfield-Jackson, Atlanta, Holbrook Maynard International Terminal Airport. Anyhow, I think this is the Amsterdam-Atlanta flight. Amsterdam. Drug-addled passengers on that thing, I'm sure. Heading over to the north side, up to the northern 2/5. Remember, is that it's like 08. 08 left is what they like to land on over there. Anyhow, that is a Avion Grande A330 from Amsterdam. Things have gotten a little quiet and I wasn't paying that much attention, but luckily I did dial in soon enough. Today, that's a larger looking airplane out there, and it is. It's a Boeing 767. Getting ready to settle down way out there on the far southern reaches of what's soon to be Keisha, Bottoms, Holbrook Maynard, Jackson Hartsfield, Atlanta International Airport. The airport with many names here in Georgia. I believe this is a China Air Cargo 747, claimed to be heading to Dallas, Fort Worth. But it does appear to be heading here to Atlanta. They're probably going to become Reed Bottoms, Jackson Hartsfield, Holbrook Maynard International Terminal, Atlanta Airport here in Georgia, the jewel of the southeast United States. Atlanta, Georgia. We're on the fashionable west end on the southern parking deck, overlooking the southern 3/5 of this fabulous airport. It's the second most obnoxious airplane in aviation today, departing on high over 2 left. Sadly, that is not where this airplane is arriving. We're arriving on high over 2 right, which really is not that bad. That's the beauty of the giant airplane, is that they take up a lot of frame even when they're far away. I don't know what the story on the DFW thing here is. All I know is that this is a 747. Focus, concentrate on getting good footage here. Keep up, come on, don't smoke them. Got a little bit of a crosswind out there. Should be a good landing. Oh yeah, nice. That there is an airplane. Killer.